Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to do a Sunday analysis for the week ahead. So let's prepare ourselves. That is the most important thing, so that you are ready and you have the bias for next week. Let's see. Here, let's start with the economic calendar first. Then we'll go over the last week, what I anticipated. I did a video about it on YouTube, and I also have it noted here. And then what I'm gonna do this with next week. First, we can see that. Okay, this is the last one. This one is in April. So today, tomorrow and Tuesday, we can see that we have no news, which I'm going to be trading. I like those days. Then on Wednesday, we are also trading. We just have to be done before this FMC 8:30. I'm going to wait and see how price reacts with all of these news. If it moves the market too much, I might not trade, and price action becomes like bad after that. And then Friday, the same thing. I'm gonna wait. I'm waiting after 10. If price is looking very, very bad, I'm going to stop trading for the week. Let's go and see what we had this week. So on NQ, I was expecting price to go down on the weekly chart because of this weekly fair value gap and the break of structure. So we are expecting price to hunt by sell side liquidity, which is these two lows. And as you can see, we got exactly that to the tick. Okay, so the week closed right on the tick of that. Look at this. It swept that low and then went a little bit up. Here's how it looks in the daily time frame. Okay, so let's see the next one. We have the NQ daily time frame. I was looking for price to retrace into the, so we retraced into the weekly fair value gap, and then the goal that my target first that was the new week opening gap right here. And then once price broke structure to the downside, from then on I'm fully bearish, targeting all of those lows that I noted up in the weekly time frame. Here's the update. So we then formed a daily fair value gap, which we retraced into because we swept the weekly sell side, so we retraced back into that. Now we can hunt new sell side, which was these lows to the downside. Let's do ES. It's the same thing. Weekly time frame, the same. Looking for the same thing. As you can see, we got that. ES daily, we got that as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the new week. So we're going to start with NQ weekly time frame. Okay, so at this point, we have taken out key liquidity area. If we are still bearish, we'll go for this low, obviously. But will we do that? I'm not really sure. This might be the end of the move. Or maybe not. Maybe we take out this one, reach to this order block and monthly fair value gap, and then start going up. But we'll see what happens for now. We are going to keep being bearish. We are going to keep being bearish until we get a structure shift on the daily time frame or an inverse fair value gap. Okay. So until then, I'm saying that we will push maybe to the downside. Maybe use this order block right here. I'm gonna mark it out just in case. Okay, like this. It should be this candle, so I'm gonna mark it out also. So this is a point where we can definitely reverse and go up, but we are not gonna like try to predict that. We are still gonna be bearish until we get a confirmation that we are bullish. So for that we need a daily break structure or an inverse fair value gap. So here I can say that I am still a little bit bearish because we still have targets below and we have to give some confirmation for bullishness. If we are bullish, we are not going to predict. Okay, gonna take that screenshot and just put here and do this. So do the NQ daily. Okay. Okay, so here we got this move down. We have no reason to not go lower anymore until we get, so we are still bearish until we get a confirmation. So I'm just gonna screenshot this and put it here. Of course, we need to consider a new week opening gap. So maybe on the daily, we get an open to the downside into here, maybe, and then we can obviously be bullish because we have the new week opening gap above and we took out these lows once again. Okay, now let's do ES weekly. Okay, on ES, we also took out these key levels. The next key level would be this one, if we are still going to go for that. We are just going to type same as thank you and put that here. I don't know why I keep opening this post. Let's see the daily time frame. Still the same way. Here we have some more liquidity areas we can target. And I think we have that in NQ as well. We have only 1 point. So that's about it. That's basically bearish until we switch bias with if level or loss. Basically, that's about it. And we have to consider the week opening up, do the review once more. Okay, these are basically just notes for myself. That's it. Let me look into the monthly here. So in the monthly, we still haven't like switched structure to the downside. But if we are going to, I don't think we are going to switch the structure. We might do something like this, just wick this and then go up. Or if we are going to switch the structure, then we are gonna close below this low with the next month or with this month, but that's too far away. So but what I see here in terms of just pure charts, if you're gonna move lower, this would be a price point where we can get a reaction off of, definitely. So I'm just gonna mark that out just in case. And then we have a bottom up here. Okay, I'm just gonna mark that out and say that's on NASDAQ. Just put it here. Actually, I'm going to type it out on the chart. That's about it. And that goes the same for ES, of course. I don't use a monthly time frame, so I don't even have it in my like templates of the. So yeah, this is it basically in terms of this. So yeah, this is the monthly target also, and we might have that here also. Yeah. So we will see what price exactly does. We have to wait and see. For now, we are going to continue being bearish until we get proven wrong, and that's basically it, what we have to do. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. I know it was kind of boring, but that's just how it is. We are basically preparing for the next week, and that's it. Yeah, I will update you in videos of trade recaps when I have a trade. We'll see when that is. Last week was pretty good. We had like two winning trades here. Yeah, two winning trades on Thursday and Monday. I liked both of them. They were plus both of them, and we are break even on the account. You know that we went into drawdown when we were trading forex. So we are back from that drawdown, which is very nice, and I'm looking forward to seeing like similar results to this in the future, because I really like NQ's price action, and it really works well with my strategy. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm definitely going to update you on my Instagram or on my X on here as well. So as you know, I've been posting on Instagram my like live trades, and then on here I post trade recaps, and on X I just post like my thoughts and everything, and just what I'm doing, and so yeah, thank you for watching, guys.